I haven't eaten today yet, and it is 1 o'clock. I stopped by Speedway and got a taquito and some Flaming Hots. About to go get some coffee and then head to Starbucks. It's that girl show day off rest. Ideas come to me, then man, I'm so excited. Start working on multiple things, and now I'm so divided, but I just wanna finish what I've started. Yeah. People are asking me, where is what I promised? Perfectionist on everything. If I'm being honest, I just haven't finished what I've started. There's so much on my mind, I'm running out of time. I just wanna finish what I started. Peach or mango be banging. The peach is good too. We got blueberry, pineapple, peach. Yeah, I don't need no more nails. These are the ones I got on now. But these are cute too. Those are really cute. I ain't gonna lie, I might get those. These are cute too. Ooh, I just said I was gonna do a short pair. I love a good long pair of nails though. These are cute too, y'all. It's on the shorter side, but I just love the colors. I just wish they was a little longer. These are cute too. I'm gonna try those one day. Y'all know what I thought these was. It's a vlog with a V.
With a V?
Vlog.
Hey, vlog with a V.
Hey, we got some wipes. Why did Walmart have all these wipes? This was $6.98. Why? I don't know, but I just got them because I don't need them. And then, oh, these are so good. You can smell it through the bag. I also got something to eat from the hot section. I got some boneless wings. It came with macaroni and cheese, and it came with mashed potatoes. Their macaroni and cheese is bomb. I ain't never tried the mashed potatoes, but their mac and cheese is good. Don't sleep on Walmart. And the whole meal was $5.97. And you get like 10 boneless wings. That's the truth. Don't sleep on them. Okay, and then I put my wine in the freezer. I also need to wash my clothes. I wish I had like a little pulling caddy so I don't have to lift this thing, but yeah, I'll put that on my to-get list. And yeah, I also need to do my nails. I got some wine, so I'm gonna let this wine get a little chill on it, and then I'm gonna take down my nails. I'm gonna take down my nails and do a little 1-2. Today has been a good day so far. I also, let me sit down. I need to do my hair. Thank God this is a vlog because what that means is you're seeing me unperfected. Love me anyway. But today has been a good day so far. I've been talking to this guy on Hinge. It's pretty cool. Like, no pressure or nothing. It's just pretty cool. It's only been a couple days, so you know you gotta be careful, because as soon as you announce something, it just seemed like, I don't know, the murder hornets come out and just kill it. So, and then I did some good work at Starbucks earlier. I left there around 6 something and I got there like around 1 something, I think. So I've been at Starbucks for a minute. So today was really a productive day. If I don't get anything else done today, it was a great day. My battery needs to be charged, and my battery lasted all day. Look out. Thank you, Lord. The Lord looks out. So I'm finna figure out what I'm finna do. I don't know yet, but yeah. Let me see if my man hit me back. Oh, no. Let me show you right quick what I got from Ross. I left the other thing in the car. Oh, look at these highlighters. Aren't they so cute? Let me get some light on it. Aren't these so cute? They're gonna fit so cute in my purse. And then I got this journal. Isn't this so adorable? Look at the colors. I'm getting ready to take down my locks. I don't want to. I wanted to keep them up because I got a show on July 6th. So what's that, next week? So I wanted to keep them up for the show because I like the style. It's unique. I love the look, but my hair has grown out so much, and so I'm feeling the weight of it. And I've been bearing the weight of it for a while, and now it's just like, okay, I can't. So we finna take this down. I'm finna find something to watch on Netflix, and I'm finna take this down. I already started taking down my nails, because look at that. What is this? What is that? And I want to do these. I've never been a red nail girl, ever. Well, there was this one time. They was long, though. But these are short, but I don't know what it is about this color that really spoke to me. I don't know if y'all, if it's picking up what I'm putting down, because I don't have much light in here, but I'm about to do those. I'm gonna take these down. I know I'm gonna feel like so much lighter, and these are light. That's the thing. Like, I can't wait to wash my hair. And then I just got that Carol's Daughter leave-in black lavender or black vanilla, whatever it was. Can't wait to spray that. Love a good leave-in, sure do. And then I got my other wig soaking in my office, y'all. What about interns walked in and was like, he was like, oh, okay, you getting your wig ready? Boy, shut up. He's like, okay, you washing your wig? Mind your business. Like, he is so funny. The stuff that I be asking you questions about that you're supposed to be answering, you don't have no answer for it. But everything else you ain't supposed to have, you ain't supposed to know this. You be all in it. Like, what you doing, Miss T? What you doing? That's my baby, though. Oh, she got your booties. She got the booties. You know, be excited, and that baby gonna love.
Fuck up. Okay, testing 1 2 1 2.
Okay.
Come over, son.
This is Asani wishing you a happy birthday and all your blessings that come with it. I love and care for you so much. Period. Wishing you a birthday that brings blessing after blessing, because that's exactly what you deserve.
So is that it? Right.
Oh, did you want to read the front?
No, I want you to read.
All your blessings that come with it. I love and care for you so much. Love, Asani.
You fun. Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
I said, did you want to read the front?
Oh, read the front.
Okay, y'all, today is Saturday. I've been in bed most of the morning. I woke up really early to wish my mom a happy birthday. And that was so sweet what the kids did. They They always give really good gifts, and they always put really nice messages in the cards. Like, I still got cards from my niece and nephew, because it just choked me up to hear them say those things. So, got in the bed. I haven't been feeling the best today at all. But I am pushing myself to get up and finish this vlog so I can have it uploaded for Sunday or Monday. What else? I was watching Sarah Jakes and her husband. They were on the Marriage Be Hard podcast. And first of all, I just love Teray and Sarah. I think they are so cute. I love their love story, all of that. And I was listening to it, and I was just like, it was so triggering to watch because it's so beautiful. And it reminded me that that's something that I want, but that I've never experienced. And then the thought was like, I don't know. I do know. The thought was like, I just don't want the desire anymore. I just don't want it anymore. I'd rather put that desire for love like inside of what I'm doing because it's so strong. I'd rather put that into something that can happen and into something that I can control versus hoping and wondering and waiting, and like you never know if everybody gets somebody. You just don't know. And though that's our hope, everybody's not gonna be married, everybody's not gonna have the relationship that they see other people having that they would want. Everyone's not gonna have that. And so I'm just like, man, I prayed for a while for God to just take the desire. And I don't want to talk about it. So let's get the day started. Look how neat my office looks. I'm like, when did I straighten up like this? I think it's just a habit now. Also, y'all, I keep my tags on stuff for a little minute until I make sure like I really like it and I'm gonna keep it. Cause you ever rip the tags off too fast and then you start using it and you was like, I don't really like this, but the tags off of it, yeah, you're not doing that. Say more. Shut up.
Not. Oh, I'm automatically having a prenup. I think has to do with.
I was watching a little thing on TikTok. Tamar Braxton and Jeremy Robertson. I love Tamar, but she be loud as hell. Like, girl, shut up. I love her though, but she be loud. Okay, y'all. So this is for dinner. Cause I haven't eaten nothing since earlier. I gotta get better at that. But I just got some Chipotle. Caught them 10 minutes before they closed, y'all. Got me something to drink with my Chipotle. And then some snacks just in case I need it. Because we gotta see where we at. And so I wanted to explain to you why I'm vlogging. And why you probably should be too. I'm finna charge my camera. Why is it so funny? Okay, y'all. So I'm finna finish editing this vlog. Do my thumbnail, eat my food, wind down. Good morning, y'all. I am on the road back home. I took my hair down. That's why you see this little hat wig I done threw on my head, child. I still need to wash my hair. I just got leave-in conditioner in it. I'm going to get coffee, and then I gotta get gas, and then I'm gonna get straight on the road from out here. Woo, a lot on my mind. I love getting on the road though. Like, if you got a lot on your mind, take a road trip, child. So that's what I'm finna do. You already know where I'm going to get my coffee from. If you don't know what you're doing, it's Dunkin' Donuts. I signed up for their app too, so I'm excited to see if their app is legit. But I'm not finna talk over this road, so yeah, I'll update y'all as I go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Of it is not really on our control. You can't say, well, I got this track I like, so I'm going to write to it now. It's like, it comes when it's supposed to come, and it's relevant in the world.
Yeah.
And it's like, it works the way it's supposed to work.
Yeah, definitely.
You just have to be open to it and ready for it when it comes.
Exactly.
Ain't it?
Pizza.
Home running pizza.
This feels
You adding cheese, Mom?
Huh?
You adding cheese?
Yeah.
All right, now I want to play Uno, but it got to be all the rules involved.
Okay, one gonna play.
Okay, well, look.
So what's your rules?
I ain't teaching that.
Yeah. Oh wait, well, okay.
She know how to play numbers and she know how to play stacks.
You know how to play triples and doubles?
What is that again?
Go ahead, knowing that you ain't have nothing in yellow in
That's
your
why you
hand.
just drew that skip.
Okay, y'all, we're at Sam's Beauty Warehouse. I feel like it's a lot of people here. I hate this, but hopefully I can get in there and get out. These are so cute.
Not to debate with somebody who refused to take sound advice just because I don't even know why. I can't even justify the stupidity at this point. I was really about to try.
Bless your heart.
But anyway, so trying to make a long story short, this whole thing was.
Hey, Miss Lily K. Miss Lily K. Come on, outfit on top. Come on, shake something. Say hey, Jen. Oh, girl. Out here. B. David.
I'm very, very. I'm looking for you. I literally inside there was like, did you see Tia?
You walked through like, yes, I saw Crow drive. I said, Crow. She stopped in the middle of the street. I said, what you doing?
Literally was like, she out there? I'm about to go.
Listen, so how you like it?
What did you do?
I'm vlogging.
I love it. So I live right here.
You like.
It's not a baby.